Hi everyone, I am Dr. Fabi Carino, and once again, I'd like to invite you at the second CHRO and Leadership Summit on January 22 at the Diamond Hotel, brought to you by Fortinus Events. I will also be moderating the CHRO Playbook, where we will be talking about how to lead culture, technology, and talent in this ever-changing world. Expect game-changing ideas and best practices from top CHRO, practical strategies to transform your culture, harness AI-driven technology, and lock in top talent amidst fierce competition. This is going to be your fierce blueprint to boldly lead in 2026. Join us live for this breakthrough that will redefine your HR game. I look forward to seeing you all at the summit.